I am the king of New Wave Pro! Yeah!
Welcome to Traversing Indiana. Today we're at New Wave Pro Wrestling in Terre Haute. Things are about to get crazy.
My name is Mikey Guest, me and Chris Sable, and a few of my family members. We run New Wave Pro Wrestling. We're located in Terre Haute, Indiana. We're a family-friendly entertainment, all ages shows. We encourage the families to come out and have a good time. We've been around for several years. We've got a lot of shows coming up. We've well traveled in Indiana. We do shows in Sullivan. We've got a big show coming up in Indianapolis in August, so we're trying to make our rounds and make way and break through just not only in the Wabash Valley, but also in Indiana itself.
So I hear you're the champ.
Steelers, I am the king of New Wave Pro! Yeah!
So how long have you been doing this?
3 years.
3 years?
3 years.
You always been here? Or you travel around?
I travel everywhere, man. From New Jersey, here, Iowa, Tennessee, wherever bookings will go, wherever we at.
How long have you been the champ here?
7 months.
7 months.
And when I won the title, I held the Crossroads Champion, New Wave Pro's first ever 2-time belt holder. I had 2 belts, this and Miles' belt. But I had to relinquish it. Now I'm just top dog, New Wave Pro.
Yeah, how many times have you been?
5.
5 times.
6.
6 tonight, right?
Counting on it. We'll see. It'll be tough, but I'm trained by the best, so we'll see how it goes. Not too worried.
actually go to Facebook and type in New Wave Pro. We'll come up. If you like what you see, follow us. We're also on Twitter. You can go to @NewWavePro_Pro. Find us there on Instagram as well. You can subscribe to YouTube. We have a lot of free content on YouTube, a lot of free matches, the full shows and everything.
Well, that's going to do it for us tonight here at New Wave Pro Wrestling. The champ held his title, tough fight, but he made it through. We had an awesome time. If you're in the Terre Haute area or just love wrestling in general, I definitely recommend you come and check out New Wave Pro Wrestling. We'll have more information on our website. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks. See ya.